Okay, stop watching YouTube tutorials on how to build a WordPress website until you have done this one thing. It's kind of a big thing, but you need to do this. No more website builder tutorials until you've done this. And that is to plan out all the pieces and content that your website is going to need. Now, I totally get it. How are you supposed to know what those are until you log into a website builder and kind of start to understand the language and what a widget is and how to set up the appearance and the themes and the pages versus the posts. All of that will be covered and will make a whole lot more sense if you just plan out the content. So there are 8 steps that I actually have in my website, my website DIY workbook. You can download it below in the description. There's a link. And it's going to walk you through those 8 steps. You can actually do this fairly quickly in just a matter of hours. But once you've done that, once you've planned out what the domain name is, what hosting you're going to use, what theme you're going to use, have some photography set aside on hand, whether that be stock or your own, and determine what colors you're going to use on your website. Once you have all of these pieces set aside, you will be far more will be able to bring your website together in a matter of a few hours versus logging into a website builder and having no idea what to do next. So download the workbook, do the pre-work. I know it's very, very tempting to just log in and get going, but this is going to save you so much time, heartache, and frustration and getting lost in the tech overwhelm if you can just simply first pull all the pieces together, everything that you need, so that you can then build the website. There's no point in sitting down and logging into the back end of a website builder until you have done this pre-work, this planning work, so that you have everything sitting there. And when you go to click and add a page or add something to a widget or add a logo somewhere, you will already have it. The pre-work is everything in being able to DIY your own website. So grab my workbook below, leave me a comment if you've got questions, but seriously, this is going to save you so much time, energy, tech overwhelm, complete frustration. You don't need to watch any more tutorials. You need to go and do your pre-work first. So let me know if you've got questions. I cannot wait to hear from you. And also, if Facebook is your thing, I've got a really great Facebook group going, Website DIY with Melinda Watt, and I help non-tech savvy businesswomen build a website that they will be proud to show off so they can show up confidently in their businesses. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. This isn't really complicated. You just need to learn what the steps are. And you don't know if you don't know. So look forward to getting your comments and connecting with you over on Facebook. Till next time.